Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Christmas is not complete without any cake recipes. So today let's make the pastry cream frosted coconut cake. This cake is so moist and very tasty. So let's see how to make this snow covered cake with a small little snowman and Christmas trees. So let's see how to make the base coconut cake. Into a bowl add egg whites, sprinkle some salt and beat it till it becomes frothy. Slowly incorporate the powdered sugar. And beat it till you get soft peaks like this. Now keep it aside and into another bowl add in the egg yolks, 1 cup of oil and combine it. Normally in my cake recipes I add butter, but in this one instead of butter I'm adding oil. Now sift in all-purpose flour with some baking powder. Add some desiccated coconut. Mix it all together. Now add some milk and mix it. Now take the egg whites and slowly incorporate it. Don't over mix it because we don't want to lose the air which we accumulated while beating the egg whites. So you can use the cut and fold method to incorporate the egg whites. Now take a cake tin which is greased and dusted. Place a parchment paper at the bottom and pour in the cake batter. Tap it 2-3 times to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now allow it to cool down completely and slowly remove the cake from the cake tin. Now transfer the cake onto a wire rack and take out the parchment paper from the bottom. Now you can see our soft and moist cake is ready. Now let's see how to make the pastry cream frosting. Now beat some room temperature butter till it's become fluffy. Now slowly add in the powdered sugar. I'm adding very little sugar into this butter because we're gonna add pastry cream which is already very sweet. But if you're not adding any pastry cream, you just want to make it as a buttercream frosting, you can add more sugar. Now let's take the pastry cream. The recipe for the pastry cream is already shown in my channel. This is the filling which I used to make my eclair recipe. You can see the description for the recipe link or click the I button above. Beat the pastry cream for some time to make it loose and add it to the butter and sugar mixture. Now let's take the cake. I made this cake one day before and I cling wrapped it so that it will stay fresh. I made the cake into 2 layers and started applying the pastry cream frosting on the first layer. Now let's put the second layer on top. Now let's cover the entire cake with the frosting. Now one advantage for this coconut cake is you don't have to make the frosting perfect because as this is a coconut cake, we're gonna cover the entire cake with coconut flakes. Now I'm covering the entire cake with desiccated coconut, but this desiccated coconut is not sweet. So if you want, you can use sweetened coconut flake or mix this desiccated coconut with some pastry cream and cover it. Now I made a small little snowman with some desiccated coconut and pastry cream, and for the eyes and the buttons I used coffee powder. And for the scarf I used a cucumber peel. And for the nose I used a small part from this waffle cone. Now I took 3 waffle cones and cut it into different shapes and applied butter all over it and rolled these cones in desiccated coconut. Now place it on top of the cake so that it will look like a snow-covered Christmas tree. Now place the small cute little snowman on the side. And there you go! Our snow-covered Christmas coconut cake is ready. Now let's cut the cake and see the texture and the filling. This cake is so moist, and the pastry cream filling add more taste to the coconut cake. So definitely try this snowman cake during this Christmas. Give your valuable suggestions and comments in the comment section below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.